Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this green ghoul look. This is perfect for a last minute Halloween costume. You just need to paint yourself a bright color and pop on a wig, and that's pretty much it. Before we hop into it, I wanted to let you know I did use a cream-based cream-based paint, and for that you do need an oil-based cleanser in order to get it off, or else you're not going to have fun at the end of the night getting that off. But anyway, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. I'm using these Neutrogena wipes to take off my foundation so that we can get started on this look. I love looks that transition really easily into a costume. I just feel like it's more realistic than starting from scratch, especially being someone who's always had to work on Halloween and having to transition my day look into a night look, so if you're in the same boat as me, this one's for you. Using my Graftobian cream paint in mint green and a flat kabuki brush by Sigma, I'm just applying this all over my face and body in circular motions just to keep the pigment strong. For around my eyes, I'm just dipping my fingers into that cream paint and then gently tapping it on, just so that I don't mess up my brow shape or get it in my eyes. I don't use cream paint often because you have to set it with a powder, which can be a pain. I didn't bother setting my body since I'm not going out in this look, but if you are, definitely set it. Now I'm going in with the shade Regent's Park by Trading Mecca, and I'm using that to contour. The nose contour wasn't looking as defined as I wanted it to be, so I went in with the narrow blending brush and then way overdid it. It was hard getting a good color balance, but I just kept blending until it was semi-presentable. Going in with this icy pink highlight by Wet n Wild, I'm just patting this onto the high points of my cheeks, the chin, and of course the nose. Using the Masquerade palette by Pure, I'm taking that color Disguise on a fluffy shading brush, and I'm just putting this into my crease and under my eyes. Then using my finger, I'm just going to apply this to my eyelids. To make my eyebrows look a little more intense, I'm just filling them in using that dark brown shade from the Mayor on Paradise palette. To touch up my winged liner, I'm actually just going in with a black paint for a quick fix, then lining my lower waterline with the Maybelline Master Precise liner. Now it's on to shading my lower half. Going in with that color Regent's Park, I'm drawing on some cleavage definition and then hitting that neck clavicle. So basically, I'm just following my body's natural structure for these things and making it appear more defined. For the lips, I'm going in with this liquid lipstick by CoverGirl called Back Talk, which is literally the perfect shade for this look. I'm going in and adding some highlight to the lower half. I'm throwing on a wig cap, touching on my hairline and ears, and then you just need to throw on a cool contrasting wig and you're on your way. I'll have all the products listed below in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up any of these items. And that's the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.